Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Thinkorswim mobile app for options trading. First, open the app and navigate to your watch list or search for a specific stock ticker. Once you've selected an asset, tap on the Options tab to reveal the options chain. This chain displays various contracts, organized by expiration dates, strike prices, and current bid and ask prices. Familiarizing yourself with this layout is your crucial first step to successful mobile options trading. Now, let's dive into analyzing options contracts. Within the options chain, you can examine crucial details such as implied volatility, open interest, and daily trading volume for each contract. Utilize the filter icon, typically found at the top right, to efficiently narrow down your choices by strike price, call or put type, or specific expiration dates. Carefully comparing various strike prices and expiration cycles will help you identify contracts that align with your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Once you've identified a suitable contract, placing a trade is straightforward. Tap on the specific call or put option you wish to trade, which will open the order ticket. Here, you'll select your desired order type, whether it's a market order for immediate execution, a limit order for a specific price, or a stop order. Specify the quantity of contracts you intend to trade. Always take a moment to thoroughly review all order details before confirming and sending your trade. Finally, let's discuss monitoring and managing your options trades. You can easily view all your active options positions by navigating to the Positions tab within the app. To stay informed about market changes, set up custom alerts for specific price movements or conditions related to your contracts. When you're ready to exit a trade, simply select the position and choose the close order option. This allows you to manage your portfolio effectively on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.